Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop microphone from auto-adjusting volume in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first up, gotta find your sound icon right here. You're gonna want to right click on it and click on Open Sound Settings. Okay, and then in here, you gotta scroll all the way down until you find More Sound Settings. So just click on it. Now you could close this one if you want to, and here we have this window. So what you'll do next is just basically go to recordings right here, as our microphones will be listed in here. Okay, so go ahead and find the specific microphone that is auto adjusting. Just click on it and make sure that it is highlighted and click on properties. And then once done, go ahead over to advanced. And in here, make sure that you disable exclusive mode. All right, so go ahead and disable give exclusive mode applications priority, and allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Just disable them all, as well as audio enhancements if you want to, and then just basically click on apply, and then OK. After that, you're good to go. All right, so if that still won't work, just go ahead over to communications right here at the very top. Make sure that it says do nothing. Okay, tick on this option, and then once done, hit on apply, hit on OK, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if your problem is that your software, for example, you have Discord and it's auto adjusting your microphone, all you got to do is just go ahead and pop out Discord, open it up, for example. Okay, you might have a ton of applications right there. So just basically go ahead over to settings. You can do the same with any other application. Okay, so find voice and video, and then in here you have automatically adjust input sensitivity or voice control or voice gain. Okay, yeah, that's one. You can just go ahead and disable this one. Okay, if it keeps auto adjusting your volume. That is it. That's how simple it is to stop microphone from auto adjusting volume in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.